There he is.
Next champion. I said I was gonna do this. I won that fatal 4-way. I don't know where the hell Shrek and Donkey is, but I'll whoop their damn asses too.
Wait. Who the hell's Shrek and Donkey?
That dumbass Onslaught and Justice with the stupid little mask, make me wear that stupid little with his hair on it. The hell with that fucking thing.
Oh, so he's talking shit.
I will kick his ass. If I see him tonight, when I'm done with Bonifer, I'll kick the crap out of him too.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the GTS Championship. About to come down the aisle, the GTS Champion, Bonifer! He is your GTS Champion. Here we go. Shut the fuck up, you idiot.
Right?
Oh my God.
You want to punch? You tell him.
Oh! Bonifer, the natural-born butcher, ain't about to take no shit here tonight. Oh! 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 Off the ropes! Tugging the line, Bonifer! Oh! What a kick! It's over. 1, 2.
KBA is developing moves.
KBA is developing oh my God!
He has man boobies.
Oh, you said boobs.
Move.
Come on, asshole.
Boobs. Oh my God! He's choking him.
Is Onslaught watching this?
Is Onslaught watching this? Onslaught.
All right, I'm a nice guy. Let's
here
do
once
that.
again. Oh, one half of the tag team champions.
Still trying to get dial up to where he can stay.
Oof. Oh my God! KBA. What a kick to the mush of Bonifer.
1, 2.
Never in the history of my life have I ever seen someone wheeze while choking somebody. Until today.
Listen. Oh, we have a very special KBA here. Winding up that arm the wrong way to put extra pain into the maneuver. And now, KBA. Oh, that flying side knee to the ribs. I've never seen that before.
That was
I'm inventive. I'm awesome.
He's awesome and inventive. 1, 2.
Bullshit.
Flying bullshit. Oh, Bonifer with a flying bullshit of his own. He ain't about to take no shit from this hillbilly redneck. Oh my God. There it is. Oh, what a choke slam. Oh, 1, 2, and it. Holy fuck, I thought it was going to be over.
Last ride.
That was gravity
Last
defying.
ride.
Oh my God, a low blow.
Dios mío.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, if you did not see the last episode, Tony Emerald is seriously injured.
No one cares. I'm always.
And now Bonifer may be joining him. As Bonifer, oh God, he's rocking it up the wrong way again. Did you see that, Lucha? The technical prowess of KBA.
KBA truly sucks a lot of ass.
I am there now.
Oh my God, he's doing it. He's doing the. Oh! Oh! That's it. Shades of the Undertaker. Oh my God.
Why I'm in the hair for the title, y'all just watch.
Hailing from Meth Valley, it's the Undertaker.
Ah, Meth Valley.
1, 2, and a kick out. Oh my God. He's trying to figure out something to do
From
here.
Meth Valley, he is
The
Undertaker.
Wait, did he? Oh, what the fuck was that?
That was intense.
That was the backwards bullshit backbreaker. And now he's really trying to make him tap here. Francesca checking on things. Oof. But Bonifer's scared. Bonifer is scared that, you know.
Bonfire!
Bonifer!
Bonfire!
It's Bonifer, you idiot. Oh! 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 Oh my God, you hear the air being kicked out of the line.
Right in the chest.
Of KBA. That's it, he's dead. That dumb shit, he just went down like a sack of shit. 1, 2, and a kick out. I can't believe this shit. Lucha La Raza looking on in disbelief. Oh, no, wait a minute. What was that? What was that? KBA with a rake of the eyes. Not sure if... Oh, no, what is this? What is this? Another inventive ass maneuver. Oh!
KBA!
That's your next champion.
That's the side effect
So if
of...
Onslaught's watching, I'll whoop his ass after this.
What's up?
Whoa!
Face, how you doing, buddy? I heard you were talking shit. I heard you were gonna kick my ass, huh? I heard you were talking shit.
I'll be back in a minute.
What are you gonna do, huh?
Oh, fuck. Now we have a brawl on the outside. KBA and Onslaught. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. This is fucking insane. Oh, to the gut of... Oh, wait, he blocked it. He blocked it. Oh, my God. What's he going to do? Oh. He just bounced him off the fucking solid steel. Holy fucking duck. Oh, my God. And now he's... KBA.
His decrepit spine is probably broken. Come on.
Oh, must be a side effect from Meth Valley. A side effect from living in Meth Valley. Oh my God! And now, what's he doing? Oh! Meanwhile, there is a match going on. Oh God, what's he doing? What's he doing? Oh! Into the solid steel burn barrel. And now he's
Back to the ring.
Oh shit!
Get back to the ring.
Oh my God, and now he's throwing him in the ring. Bonifer now taking back control of KBA.
Holy fucking shit! He might hit him with the Meth Valley. One more!
Oh no, another one! How the hell would he even survive? And that's it now. He's got him. He's got him. Tap. Wait a minute, what the hell is Onslaught doing? Oh! Get him out of here! What are you doing, Carl? Come on, we had this problem last time. Guys, drag him out. Onslaught, I'm serious. This is, see, you run your mouth, asshole. Right mouth. Your mouth right checks, your ass can't catch, too stupid. Get him out of here. Who's getting screwed?
This guy right here.
He is not. Listen, it's his own fault for running his mouth.
If you wanted to be in this match, you could have just had.
Guys, get him out of here. Get him out of here, Flash! Flash, Jungle Jim, get him out! Get him out!
Absolutely ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous.
Get him out! Get him out!
We gotta get him out of here. Hey, this is ridiculous.
Get it! I want him gone. I want him fucking gone. Oh! What the fuck? The guitar! Cover! 1, 2, 3! And we have a new GTS champion! I can't believe it! I can't believe it! What the fuck? What just happened? I don't know! Chaos! Did you get rid of him?
You told me to get rid of Onslaught, and I come back and KBA is the GTS champion?
I don't know how this fucking happened. I don't know how this fucking happened. He just out of nowhere came with a goddamn guitar.
What I said I was going to do.
And new. Wait a minute! From behind! Oh! Look at this! I thought we got rid of him! Oh! Holy shit! What the fuck? Carl, what are you doing, you stupid asshole? You ruined the fucking match, you ruined the show!
Why is he still here?
We have a new champion now. Thanks to Onslaught. KBA, the GTS champion, laid out. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! He's Mr. Food of the Fridge! Duhop!
Please get hack me!
Wait, is this... Shut the fuck up, tiny turd! This could happen! Duhop is getting in the ring! Duhop!
Let me tell you something! Right now! It's time to cash that fucking franchise!
Oh, ring the bell! And we have a GTS championship match! Underwear! Duhop! KBA! It's underwear here! And... Oh! He fucking leveled him! Duhop! 1, 2,